A solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. This process blocks the light of the sun reaching the earth. This is called a solar eclipse. In a solar eclipse, the shadow of the moon is cast upon the earth. It may last for a few minutes only. Earth orbit. Sun total eclipse, particle eclipse, Earth, Moon's orbit, and Moon. Teaching point use balls for different sizes to represent the moon and the sun. Sorry guys, wait a minute. Please wait a minute. Yes. Flash a flash a torch on them from different positions and let students observe how they occur. Tell students not to directly observe a lunar or solar eclipse to prevent possible damage to their eyes. And to the other side, a constellation is a group of visible stars that form a pattern. When viewed from the earth, the pattern may look like the shape of an animal, a human, or an object such as a crown. Part of the earth, for example, Virgo, Ursa Mage, or Leo appear in spring, Gemini, Hunter, Orion, and winter constellations. Scorpio are examples of summer constellations. Means great bar. It is visible in the northern. It is a famous constellations and often used as a way to find the north direction. Ursa Minor means smaller bear. In Latin, it is located near Ursa Major, which can be easily seen on a dark night. Look at the moon at night, draw its face in your notebook, and relate this face of the moon to the relative position of the earth and the sun. Now I know a satellite is an object that revolves around a planet. There are two types of satellites, artificial and natural satellites. Sometimes you can see a full round moon, and at other times just a portion of it. These are different phases of the moon. Sea levels rise up and fall every day. We call it tides. The major reason for oceanic tides is the gravitational pull of the moon. Pull of the moon, a constellation, is a group of visible stars that form a pattern when viewed from the earth. Sometimes the earth comes between the sun and the moon. When this happens, the earth blocks sunlight reaching the moon. This is called a lunar eclipse. Sometimes the moon comes between the sun and earth and blocks the light of the sun reaching the earth. Is called a solar eclipse. The great bear and the little bear are two important constellations that can be easily seen on a clear dark night. The Great Bear is often used as a way to find the north direction. Look at the sky at night, find a pattern of stars and draw it below. Give a name to your constellations, improve your skills. Subscribe my channel and like the video. The Islamic calendar is based on revolution of the moon around the sun, sun around the earth. A solar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Write T for true and F for false statements. Answer the following questions briefly. How does the moon affect to the sea levels on the earth? Differentiate between a waxing, waning, and gibbs. How does the moon appear at different ways of the month?